During pandemic, I wanted to have something to keep my kids occupied with indoor games. I started exploring my options and then I saw this pool table on the marketplace. Best part, this was kept disassembled by its previous owner, so it was easy to transport. I started the restoration process as soon as I got it in my basement. I laid out and leveled the slate pieces and then installed the felt. Finally assembled all the sides and Q channel. Fast forward to 2025, I redid my basement and turned it into a game room. I decided to go with Rustic industrial theme. And pool table doesn't fit in the theme. My options were to either replace it or do something about it. I didn't want to spend another $2,000 on a new table, so here I am with some innovation. I decided to wrap this pool table with a premium car wrap. I request you to watch the video to the end as I am going to do a final walkthrough of the table that I'm working on. I got this Forged Composite Carbon Vinyl wrap from VVivid on Amazon. You can find the link in description. This is actually used for wrapping cars and trucks, but I'm taking a different approach here. I am wrapping pool table. I started by pre-cutting the roll for the four sides and started gluing. I got special tools for applying this wrap. The kit included a knife, two squeegees, and a couple of blades and other small tools. After applying gentle pressure and making sure there are no bubbles and creases, I used my heat gun on low settings to further strengthen the bond between mica and the wrap. I carefully cut the overhung part and folded the edges inwards, and finally went over the entire area with the squeegee. After done with the straight sides, I focus on the front of the table. This side has the channel opening for collecting cue balls. What I'm doing here is I am cutting just the backing of the vinyl wrap in the center of the pre-cut piece using a pair of scissors. I'm then separating apart the backing to expose a little vinyl area in the middle. So the idea is to stick the smaller area of the vinyl first and then continue the application in outer direction. This way there is less chance of getting bubbles while giving it a stable hold in the middle. Took it to the side and gently applied it over. And the same procedure is repeated that I did earlier in the video. After the wrap is all secured, I went with my knife and started cutting a hole for the channel opening. I made sure to cut it in such a way that it has some excess material to fold inside. Again, using the heat gun, I stretch the material to fold and stick to the inner wall of the channel. Now I am cutting the excess material on the tops and sides to give it a clean look. The channel had a trim that I removed before applying this wrap. I am restoring it back to its place now. This hides all the cuts that I made to the vinyl wrap to wrap it around that curved part of the channel opening. And it will also give it a clean finished look. After wrapping all the sides, I moved my focus to the base. For this area, I'm using black matte vinyl. Why not use the same as the sides? Well, I think this looks more sober, matte on the base and little shiny or dynamic on the sides. I followed the same steps to apply the vinyl without leaving any bubbles or creases. If you noticed, I had these golden trim on the edges earlier. They were a little worn off, and obviously they were not fitting into the theme. I found this black trim with glue backing on Amazon. This perfectly fits in the theme. I'm just cutting it to the required height using a pair of scissors and applying it with the help of my heat gun. Trust me, the glue bond is real good on this one, and it is not coming off anytime soon. After saving almost entire $2,000 on this new billiards corner in my basement and spending just a couple of hours in planning and applying the car wrap, it's time to show you the end results. So, ladies and gentlemen, I present you my totally renewed and revamped pool table. I hope you liked this video. Please do comment, share, and subscribe to my channel Pin Pixels. See you all next time. Till then, bye bye.